Yo, that's a rainbow. I have never seen a rainbow like that before. That's incredible. That's just like in the books. I would not have believed if you told me. How much?
How pleasant to see you again.
Where in the cosmos am I?
You are in another universe.
It is 7:30. I'm in Delta, Utah. Made it 700 miles on the first day from Oakland, and I'm trying to be in Connecticut in 3 more days. I want to surprise a good friend. These are not the right size tires. Day 2 and second rib knot bites the dust. That is proper fucked. That wasn't enough. We had a bunny decide to commit suicide. Shatter the everything's in the process. Carnage, carnage. Damn. Woo. That is serious. We'll be able to take care of that when we get to our destination. Bumper shattered in a bunch of places. Look at this. It just does not stop here. Fixable.